Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the real purpose of my video series for you. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I love the videos that I produce for you because each one of them has a small lesson, but an important lesson, something that makes me think, and it makes me want to make you think, because thinking as an entrepreneur, especially as a real estate entrepreneur, is actually really super duper important, and it's something that a lot of people are missing. So if you're wondering where I am now, kind of a that's an interesting angle. I am in St. Louis at the Gateway Arch, a place I absolutely love because it's designed by one of my favorite architects, Eero Saarinen, who also did Dulles Airport in Washington, D.C., which is what I tend to fly out of all the time, and the TWA terminal at JFK Airport in New York. Fantastic. Just a very futuristic sense of design and style, and yet I still think it holds futuristically. I mean, a lot of modern stuff in the 50s kind of looks like yesterday's version of tomorrow. And I suppose maybe Eero stuff is a little bit similar, but I still like it. And look, the Gateway Arch was built as a monument to the United States and its westward expansion. So St. Louis was the gateway for Lewis and Clark Exposition as they pushed westward, and an arch represents a doorway, an entrance. In this case, it's more towards the end of my trip because we're coming back east through the arch rather than heading out west. And as I head home, and I think about different places we've been and the things I've seen, there are a lot of things I would love to share with you on video. I can't, because it would probably get these videos blocked and banned. So if you ever meet me in person and want to hear some of the other inside scoop on what I think is going on in a lot of parts of the country, then contact me personally, or when you see me speak, and let me know. These are trends that are important for real estate investors. We have to pay attention to what's going on in the country, because if we're going to stabilize our businesses, stabilize our profits, improve neighborhoods, turn them around, and keep rentals that don't take us under as rental property owners, then we better be paying attention to what's going on. And so what I'm trying to do through this series of videos is get you to think about business, but think about things generally as a philosophy. I saw something where it talked about in years past, people always had a philosophy, or they had a life philosophy they followed, and how over time that's kind of slipped. I mean, I don't know if a lot of people really think about that much anymore. It's a little bit strange and kind of disturbing. I want you to think. That's what each of these videos is about. Take the lesson. It's something that I've learned, and it's something about life or entrepreneurship or building a business or maintaining a business. And sometimes they're hyper technical little ideas. Other times they're more esoteric mindset type ideas. Either way, they're ideas that can literally make you or break you in business, because when you're off on your own, a lot of times there's no one to really look up to. Think about that. And so that's what I want these videos to do. That's what I hope they've done. In this case, on this trip, coast to coast trip with my family, I don't know, 4 or 5 months long. It's been a long trip, seeing all of America, and now coming back east, kind of exiting the west through the gateway to the west. But it's made me think, and I've certainly been exploring a lot of different towns with a lot of different options. I'm thinking about where to reinvest my money that I've earned from wholesaling and then buying and holding rentals and having rehabs. Where do I move that money for the long term? Because a lot of things are changing, if you haven't noticed. There's been an enormous amount of changes, and as a businessman, a real estate entrepreneur, I got to think about what's coming next and how do I best protect my profits to protect my family, my lifestyle, my choice, what I want to do going forward into the future. And I'm sure a lot of you have that concern as well. So stay tuned. There's more great videos to come. There's more great trainings to come. Come to my events either live or on Zoom, and look into my Rapid Cash Generator kit, the Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp, because all of this stays completely up to the time, up to the minute with what needs to be done now in today's market, so that we can expand and get better at that which we do. That's what I want for you guys. So thank you for watching these videos. Much more to come. It's Tom Zeeb from the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Missouri, signing off.